What is this?
It is a cat.
What is this?
It is a dog.
What is this?
It is a cow.
What is this?
It is a horse.
What is this?
It is a sheep.
What is this?
It is a goat.
What is this?
It is a chicken.
What is this?
It is a duck.
What is this?
It is a goose.
What is this?
It is a turkey.
What is this?
It is a donkey.
What is this?
It is a rabbit.
What is this?
It is a buffalo.
What is this?
It is a camel.
What is this?
It is a llama.
What is this?
It is a bee.
What is this?
It is a frog.
What is this?
It is a mouse.
What is this?
It is an ox.
What is this?
It is a mule.
What is this?
It is a rooster.
What is this?
It is a peacock.
What is this?
It is a pigeon.
What is this?
It is a dove.
What is this?
It is a snail.
What is this?
It is a calf.
What is this?
It is a lamb.
What is this?
It is a foal.
What is this?
It is a chick.
What is this?
It is a duckling.
What is this?
It is a gosling.
What is this?
It is a bunny.
What is this?
It is a puppy.
What is this?
It is a worm.
What is this?
It is a quail.
What is this?
It is a partridge.
What is this?
It is an ostrich.
What is this?
It is a ladybug.
What is this?
It is a caterpillar.
What is this?
It is a butterfly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. You can also leave a comment below and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.